After generations of not following the faith once delivered by Jesus and the apostles, can a church rebuild on the right foundation, Jesus? Let's examine rebuilding Jerusalem in Nehemiah 3. Were there teams assigned to different aspects of rebuilding Jerusalem? Did wealthy nobles avoid the Lord's work? Then Eliashib the high priest rose up with his brethren the priests, and they builded the sheep gate. They sanctified it, and set up the doors of it. Even to the tower of Meah they sanctified it, to the tower of Hananiel. And next to him builded the men of Jericho, and next to them builded Zachar the son of Imri. But the fish gate did the sons of Hassenaah build, who also laid the beams thereof, and set up the doors thereof, the locks thereof, and the bars thereof. And next to them repaired Meremoth the son of Urijah, the son of Koz. And next to them repaired Meshullam the son of Berechiah, the son of Meshezabeel. And next to them repaired Zadok the son of Baana. And next to them the Tekoites repaired. But their nobles did not put their necks to the work of their Lord. While rebuilding a church after ruin, are there lessons in various teams taking on specific renovation tasks? Joiada, the son of Paseah, and Meshullam, the son of Besodeiah, repaired the old gate. They laid its beams and made its doors stand with its bolts and its bars. Next to them, Melatiah, the Gibeonite, and Jadon, the Meronothite, the men of Gibeon and of Mizpah, also made repairs for the official seat of the governor of the province beyond the river. Next to him, Uziel the son of Harhaiah of the goldsmiths made repairs, and next to him Hananiah, one of the perfumers, made repairs. And they restored Jerusalem as far as the broad wall. Next to them, Rephaiah the son of Hur, the official of half the district of Jerusalem, made repairs. Next to them, Jediah the son of Haramaph made repairs opposite his house, and next to him, Hattush the son of Hashabniah made repairs. Malchijah the son of Harim and Hashab the son of Pahath Moab repaired another section and the tower of furnaces. Next to him, Shallum the son of Halohesh, the official of half the district of Jerusalem, made repairs, he and his daughters. Are there some parallels between gate repair and reformation of a church? Could it be that we've let too many wolves, false prophets, and tares in the door? Hanun and the inhabitants of Zanoah repaired the valley gate. They built it and installed its doors with its bolts and its bars, and 1,000 cubits of the wall to the dung gate. And Malchijah, the son of Rechab, the official of the district of Beth Hakkerem, repaired the dung gate. He built it and installed its doors with its bolts and its bars. Shallum, the son of Kol-Hoseh, the official of the district of Mizpah, repaired the fountain gate. He built it, made a roof for it, and installed its doors with its bolts and its bars. And the wall of the pool of Shilah at the king's garden, as far as the steps that descend from the city of David. After him, Nehemiah the son of Azbuk, official of half the district of Beth-zur, made repairs as far as a point opposite the tombs of David, and as far as the artificial pool and the house of the mighty men. After him the Levites carried out repairs, under Rehum the son of Bani. Next to him, Hashabiah, the official of half the district of Keilah, carried out repairs for his district. What other repairs to our churches are needed at a time of rebuilding? Do we remember that the church is the people, not the building? Next to him, the repairs were made by their fellow Levites under Benui, son of Henadad, ruler of the other half district of Keilah. Next to him, Ezer, son of Jeshua, ruler of Mizpah, repaired another section, from a point facing the ascent to the armory as far as the angle of the wall. Next to him, Baruch, son of Zabbai, zealously repaired another section, from the angle to the entrance to the house of Eliashib the high priest. Next to him, Meremoth, son of Uriah, the son of Hakkoz, repaired another section, from the entrance of Eliashib's house to the end of it. Is a church rebuilt by or on one man? Or does it need many hands with various skills to rebuild? And after him, the priests, the men of the plain, made repairs. After him, Benjamin and Hashab made repairs opposite their house. After them, Azariah, the son of Maaseiah, the son of Ananiah, made repairs by his house. After him, Benui, the son of Henadad, repaired another section, from the house of Azariah to the buttress, even as far as the corner. Palal, the son of Uzai, made repairs opposite the buttress, and on the tower which projects from the king's upper house, that was by the court of the prison. After him, Pedaiah, the son of Parosh, made repairs. Moreover, the Nethinim, who dwelt in Ophel, made repairs as far as the place in front of the water gate toward the east, and on the projecting tower. After them, the Tekoites repaired another section, next to the great projecting tower, and as far as the wall of Ophel. Do we rebuild on a man, any man, and his narrow theology, or is Jesus Christ our foundation? Above the horse gate, the priests repaired the wall. Each one repaired the section immediately across from his own house. Next, Zadok, son of Immer, also rebuilt the wall across from his own house. And beyond him was Shemaiah, son of Shechaniah, the gatekeeper of the east gate. Next, Hananiah, the son of Shelemiah, and Hanun, the sixth son of Zalaph, repaired another section, while Meshullam, son of Berechiah, rebuilt the wall across from where he lived. Malchijah, one of the goldsmiths, repaired the wall as far as the housing for the temple servants and merchants across from the inspection gate. Then he continued as far as the upper room at the corner. The other goldsmiths and merchants repaired the wall from that corner to the sheep gate. Are there many areas of church life that need to be rebuilt? Are two examples no longer using Martin Luther's word alone, which he added to Romans 3:28, or no longer avoiding verse 10 in Ephesians chapter 2? We maintain, therefore, that man is justified by faith, apart from the works of the law. For by grace you've been saved through faith, and that not of yourselves. It is the gift of God, not of works, that no one should boast. For we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared before, that we would walk in them. After generations of not following the faith once delivered by Jesus and the apostles, can a church rebuild on the right foundation? Jesus, you decide.